Google just connected its AI world builder to real streets, real cities, real bridges, places you've actually walked before. And I need to show you exactly what that means because this isn't some small update. This is one of those things that sounds like science fiction until you actually see it working. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Okay, so here's the setup. Project Genie is Google's tool that builds entire explorable worlds from a text prompt. You type something and it creates a moving, walkable place around you, like you're actually standing inside it. Up until now, though, every single world it made was fake, made up, pulled straight out of thin air. And that just changed. Google gave Genie access to Street View. That's the camera van data Google's been collecting for almost 20 years. Over 280 billion real photos taken across 110 countries on every continent on Earth. So now you can tap a spot on Google Maps, pick a real place, and Genie builds a world starting from that actual location. Not a made up city that kind of looks like a city, the real one, grounded in real photos of a real street you might have actually walked on before. Google showed off the Golden Gate Bridge rebuilt as an underwater world where you can pick an ocean style and scuba dive right past the bridge towers with fish swimming around you. They also showed the Fort Worth stockyards in Texas turned into a black and white 1920s scene, saloons, old cars, dusty trading posts, the same real location, but a completely different time period. You pick the place, you pick a style, desert, Stone Age, whatever you want, describe a character, even something silly like a claymation monster, and Genie builds a moving world around that starting point. Now, let me rewind for a second because the jump here is actually bigger than it looks on the surface. Genie first showed up back in 2024, and back then it only made flat 2D worlds, and it learned that by watching video game footage, that's it, just games. Then Google previewed Genie Free in August of 2025. That version could build full 3D worlds from a single prompt or photo, which was already a big jump, but every world was still invented completely from scratch. Then, in January of this year, Google opened it up to regular people, not just researchers, so anyone could try building a world. You'd type a prompt, walk around for about 60 seconds, and that was it. Now, with this update, the worlds start from real places. That's the piece that was actually missing this whole time. And here's the part that gets me. Less than 4 months passed between you can build a fake world and you can build a world starting from your actual street. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now, here's where it gets kind of crazy. Street View only has photos from where the camera van actually drove. So what happens when you turn around or walk down an alley or look behind a building the van never photographed? Google actually calls this the blank space problem. Genie has to invent that missing part, and it has to make that invention match the real photos around it. So the whole thing feels like one real place instead of a real photo just stitched onto a fake background. But here's the actual breakthrough, and it's not what you'd think. It's not even about how pretty the pictures look. The real breakthrough is that Genie can remember. You can spin around in a full circle inside the world, and it remembers what was behind you, instead of just making something new up every single time you turn around. That's spatial memory. The world actually holds together instead of shifting and glitching every time you move. Think of it like this. Old AI video was like flipping through photos one at a time, no memory of the last one. This is more like actually standing in a room. You turn around and the room is still the same room. That consistency is the hard part, and it's the part Google just cracked. Now, here's why this actually matters beyond just being a cool demo. The goal here is letting Genie's models anchor themselves in reality instead of only imagining things. And that gives AI agents and robots an actual environment to practice moving through, one based on the real world instead of a fantasy one. Waymo, the self driving car company, already uses a version of Genie to train its cars. And here's why that's smart. Self driving cars need to practice handling rare, dangerous moments, a tornado, an animal running into the road, situations that almost never happen in real life. But the car absolutely needs to handle correctly the one time it does happen. You can't just wait around for those moments to occur naturally. Genie lets Waymo build those exact scenarios inside a realistic, grounded world and run the car through them safely over and over before it ever matters on a real street. That's the real unlock here. Real world grounding doesn't just make the underwater bridge demo look cool. It makes the whole system actually useful for training things that eventually operate out in the real physical world. Now, I want to be straight with you about the limits here too, because this isn't perfect yet. This starts with US locations only right now. Google says more countries are coming, but there's no confirmed date on that yet. Sessions are also still short. You get about 60 seconds inside a world before it ends. The visuals aren't flawless either. Physics can look a little off, and objects can behave kind of strangely sometimes. This is still an early prototype, not a finished product, and Google says that themselves. Access is also limited to Google's top subscription tier right now, so it's not available to everyone with a free account just yet. But here's where this is heading, and I think this is the part worth paying attention to. Google already said global expansion is coming, so this won't stay US only for long. And session length will almost certainly get longer too, since that's been the trend with every version of this so far: 60 seconds today, longer tomorrow. And here's the bigger pattern worth watching. Google has something almost nobody else has: 2 decades of real world photos covering the entire planet. Other AI labs can build strong world generation models, sure, but almost none of them have 20 years of street level photography to ground it in. That's not something you build overnight, that's a genuine head start. Here's the part that actually gets me the most. For years, AI could only describe the world in words. Then it learned to generate images of the world, then video. Now it's starting to build actual spaces you can walk through, and it's tying those spaces to real places instead of pure imagination. That's a meaningful shift. We're moving from AI that just talks about reality to AI that can recreate a version of it you can actually step inside. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free, and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.